Choose the correct past tense of go. The correct answer is option C, went. Identify the adverb in the sentence, she sings beautifully. The correct answer is option C, beautifully. What is the correct form of to be in? I'd blank happy. The correct answer is option A, am. Select the correct article, blank apple a day keeps the doctor away. The correct answer is option B, an. Choose the plural of child. The correct answer is option B, children. Pick the correct pronoun to complete, it was blank who helped. The correct answer is option B, I. Select the correct adjective, she is blank than him. The correct answer is option C, smarter. Complete, we blank to the park every Sunday. The correct answer is option C, go. Identify the conjunction in, she likes tea and coffee. The correct answer is option C, and. Choose the correct word, the train has already blanked. The correct answer is option B, left. Pick the correct preposition, the cat is blank the box. The correct answer is option B, in. Select the correct verb, the flowers blank beautifully. The correct answer is option A, smell. Choose the correct form, they blank waiting for us. The correct answer is option B, are. Complete, blank you see the movie last night? The correct answer is option A, did. Identify the verb in, the dog barked loudly. Select the right pronoun, neither John nor blank was there. The correct answer is option A, he. Choose the correct comparative, this car is blank than that one. The correct answer is option A, faster. Pick the correct spelling. I am blank to meet you. The correct answer is option C, excited. Fill in, there blank many people in the hall. The correct answer is option A, were. Select the suitable word. He blank his homework yesterday. The correct answer is option B, did. Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer is option B, I run daily. Identify the subject. The students are learning grammar. Pick the correct form. She blank finished her work. The correct answer is option A, has. Choose the correct word. Please blank the door. The correct answer is option A, close. Identify the conjunction. I will wait here until you arrive. The correct answer is option B, until. Complete, blank she liked to read books. The correct answer is option B, does. Select the correct possessive. That pen is blank. The correct answer is option A, mine. Choose the correct adjective. The task was very blank. The correct answer is option A, easy. The correct answer is option B, carefully. Choose the correct form. If I blank a bird, I would fly. The correct answer is option C, were. Identify the preposition in. They arrived at night. Complete, she blank been working here for years. The correct answer is option A, has. Choose the correct tense. The students blank since morning. The correct answer is option B, have studied. Select the correct pronoun. Give it to blank. The correct answer is option C, me. Choose the correct question. Blank is your favorite color? The correct answer is option A, what? Pick the correct word. She sings blank. The correct answer is option B, sweetly. Identify the correct option. I was blank in the library. The correct answer is option B, studying. The correct answer is option A, are. Choose the correct form. We blank happy to see you. The correct answer is option B, are. Select the right option. Can you blank me with this? The correct answer is option A, help. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel IQS Quiz for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video.